Hello everyone, welcome to New Wealth Japan. I'm thrilled to have you here today. This channel is dedicated to helping travelers from around the world discover and experience the very best of Japan. From ancient temples and historic castles that have stood for centuries, to the vibrant world of anime, unique Japanese souvenirs, and incredible cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds, we cover it all. Japan is a country where tradition meets innovation, where you can enjoy a traditional tea ceremony in the morning and explore cutting-edge technology districts in the afternoon. It's this beautiful contrast that makes Japan so fascinating. We're passionate about sharing hidden gems, travel tips, and cultural insights that will make your Japanese adventure unforgettable. Whether you're planning your first trip or you're a seasoned Japan traveler, we've got something special for you. I'm truly grateful that so many people from all corners of the world share this passion for Japanese culture with us. Your enthusiasm and curiosity inspire every video we create. So sit back, relax, and let's explore Japan together. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Something huge just launched in Tokyo, and it's set to completely change the city's waterfront. We're talking about this incredible symphony of water, light, and sound. It's on a whole other level. But this thing is way more than just a pretty new fountain. It's actually Tokyo's big, ambitious answer to a really important question. Can one massive fountain totally revitalize a part of the city that's, well, been losing its shine? All right, so let's get into the backstory here. We're talking about Odaiba. If you know Tokyo, you know Odaiba. It's that man-made island in the bay, famous for all its cool, futuristic buildings and fun stuff to do. But here's the thing. Lately, it's been struggling. Visitor numbers have been dropping off. And this comment really just hits the nail on the head. Odaiba used to be the spot, a super busy hub. But it just needed something new, something powerful to get people excited and bring that energy back. And wow, did they ever come up with a shot in the arm. So let's take a look at Tokyo's absolutely epic solution to this whole problem. Okay, here it is. The Tokyo Aqua Symphony. And listen, this is not your average park fountain. The city is calling this one of the biggest on the entire planet. They see it as a huge strategic move, something that's going to bring in tons of people and really turn Tokyo into a city that never sleeps. And just to give you an idea of the scale we're talking about, get this. The water can shoot up 150 meters into the air. That's basically a skyscraper made of water. It literally changes the entire skyline. And it's not just tall, it's wide. We're talking 250 meters across. That's a massive canvas for the show they're putting on. What I think is really cool, though, is the inspiration behind it. It's not just a bunch of random water jets. The whole thing is designed to look like the petals of the Somayoshino cherry blossom, which is, the official flower of Tokyo. Such a beautiful touch. Even the name has a great story. So the city asked the public for ideas and got nearly 7,500 submissions. But the best part, they let local school kids, elementary and junior high students, make the final call. How cool is that? It really made it feel like it belongs to the community right from the start. Okay, so what's it actually like to see this thing in person? Let's talk about the show itself. I mean, it's a total feast for the senses. You've got these insane water jets literally dancing to music, and at night, the whole thing is lit up with these incredible, vibrant lights. And the backdrop, come on, you're looking at the Rainbow Bridge and the Tokyo Tower. It doesn't get more iconic than that. And this is exactly what the city was going for. Tokyo's governor, Yoriko Koike, basically said the whole point is to make Tokyo a city that can entertain people day and night, to really boost that nighttime economy.
All right, so you're probably wondering, okay, I want to see this. So let's get into the details on how you can experience it for yourself.
Okay, here's the need to know. It's right there at Odaiba Seaside Park. They run shows every day, starting at 11 in the morning and going all the way to 9 at night. 10 shows a day. But trust me, you're going to want to see it after dark for the full light and music experience. And maybe the best part of all, it's totally free if you're just watching from the park. Now, if you want some pro tips, first, there's a ton of other stuff to do in Odaiba, so you can easily make a whole day of it and just end with the fountain show. And if you feel like splurging for a really premium view, the Hilton right there has a restaurant called Sakura with a terrace course where you can eat and watch the show. Can you imagine? All right, but a project this massive, it obviously comes with a massive price tag. We're talking 2.6 billion yen, which is around 17 million US dollars. And yeah, that number has definitely got people talking.
So let's break down the money side of things. The upfront cost was, yes, a lot, almost 2.64 billion yen. But the city is projecting that this fountain will bring in 9.8 billion yen every year. That's over $60 million. So the thinking is this thing will pay for itself many, many times over.
And this is where the debate really lies. On one hand, the government is quick to point out that this wasn't paid for with your direct tax money. It came from revenue they made selling off land in that area. They see it as a savvy investment in tourism. But on the other hand, you have some people asking, okay, but was this really the best way to spend that money? Couldn't it have gone to other public services? And this quote from a Tokyo resident really captures that feeling perfectly. It's like, wow, this is amazing, but couldn't that money have been used for something else? It's that mix of being super impressed, but also a little skeptical.
But no matter where you stand on the debate, you can't deny the sheer ambition here. The city is aiming for 30 million viewers a year. 30 million. If they hit that, this thing will absolutely be a world-class landmark.
So that leaves us with the big question, right? Is this watery giant going to succeed? Is it going to bring new life to Tokyo's bay and become this huge global draw? Or is it just a really, really beautiful and expensive spectacle? I guess we'll just have to wait and see.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring this part of Japan with us. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more travelers like you who love Japan. And here's the most important part. If you haven't already, please subscribe to New Wealth Japan and hit that notification bell. By turning on notifications, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. We post new content regularly, featuring different destinations, food experiences, and cultural insights across Japan, so you won't want to miss out. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any questions about what we covered today? Is there a specific place in Japan you'd like us to feature in an upcoming video? Maybe a particular Japanese dish you're curious about, or a cultural tradition you want to learn more about? Please share your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments below. We read every single comment, and your feedback helps shape our future content. Also, if you've been to Japan before, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your favorite memories or travel tips with our community. Let's learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of our New Wealth Japan family. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, safe travels, and see you in the next video. Sayonara.